Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a video which is actually really requested. You guys have asked me about my eyelash extensions and what I get done and what I ask for, how I take care of them and things like that. So I'm going to go through a few things on my phone and just kind of answer the things that I got. So the first thing that I got asked was, what do I ask for? So what do I ask for? Basically, I just want my lashes to be kind of natural but wispy. That's the word I use. I like wispy. And that's basically what I asked for. I just asked for something that is just kind of close to my natural lashes but wispy. And I mean, they are reasonably long, but they are quite natural looking, like they're not too crazy. So yeah, that's basically what I asked for. Lengthwise, I don't know. I believe the first time I had them done is I had 16s on this part, so like the outer corner, and it was a little bit too long and they were hitting my glasses and stuff. So I don't know, there may be a 12, I'm not sure. I'll have to ask the lady that does my lashes. But I get them done at the town centre of where I live, and it's a place called Perfect You, and she's really good at what she does. She's such a lovely person and she always listens to what you want and always takes good care of you. I've been going to her for probably close to like 8 months, or like on and off and stuff. Like I've had big gaps and things, because I do like to take some time where I don't have lash extensions, because sometimes they can get a little bit like annoying because you can't rub your eyes and you can't do certain things, and sometimes it's nice to kind of just let your lashes grow and just be natural. So, but for the most part I do usually get my lashes done because I love creating makeup videos and I love having lashes done because they always look really good. They always make the makeup look 100 times better, and basically I just like waking up looking like I can go out. Like, I just feel ready to go if I've got my lashes done. But yeah, that's what I ask for, just basically wispy and quite natural, just close to my natural lashes but just fuller and wispy. The next question I received was aftercare. If you want your lashes to last for the longest time that they can, which I believe is around a month, like 3 to 4 weeks, you can make them last that long. Excuse me. If you want your lashes to last around 3 to 4 weeks, which is how long they can last, you can make them last that long, but you do have to take such good care of them. When you first get your lashes done, you are not allowed to get your lashes wet for the first 48 hours. And just don't get them wet, because 1, it will really hurt your eyes. I've done it on my first time. 2, it will mess it up and it will ruin the glue and your lashes won't last as long as they should. And yeah, pretty much just don't get them wet. But yeah, I think I got mine wet for the first time when I first had them done, and it was horrible. I was in the shower and my eyes were so sore, like really sore, really stinging, and it was the worst thing. So I had to rub it away because it was so sore and the lashes were just like a mess. So don't get them wet. Also for aftercare, I think personally what I like to do is I do clean my lashes, because you don't know what, it's like anything, you need to clean everything. And for me, I just don't like the glue build up, and I don't like, if I wear lots of makeup, for it to be on my lashes. I like to have just clean lashes, as you know, like we do. So what I like to do is I like to use a cleanser. Now the cleanser I use is something that Adele said to me we can use. This is, I'm sure all you girls have got this, like everyone's got this. This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Water. And basically don't use cotton wool, because if you do use cotton wool it can get stuck in your lashes and it will just be a mess. It will be a hot mess. So I recommend using your finger and just basically getting a little bit on and just circle motions. Don't go back and forward, because you can kind of like get rid of the glue and unstick them and then they'll come out and you'll be sad. So like go circular motions very gently, and just make sure that everything's nice and clean and stuff. I actually cleaned mine yesterday. Then after that I like to use my blow dryer and I like to put my blow dryer on the coolest setting and basically just blast my eyes. So put it on the cool setting and the lowest setting and just sit there and just like close your eyes and just dry your lashes, because if they're wet they can get unsticky and you don't want that. You want them to be dry as soon as possible. So I like to just use this as a I like to use my blow dryer and just put it on the coolest setting and just go across my eyelashes with it, and it works. Then what you need to do, and what I definitely recommend to do, is if you are going to get them done, is get one of these little spoolie brushes. Adele actually gave me this. She gave me this when I first got it done, and she gives me one every time I get infills and new sets. So this is just like basically a little spoolie, and all you do is throughout the day and any time is just kind of brush through the lashes and just make sure everything is all in place and stuff, and they look beautiful. So what I like to do is go from the middle, kind of just like curl upwards, just brush through them all the time, as many times as you can, just to keep everything in place and just to keep all the lashes separate and how they should be. So yeah, I definitely recommend, if you don't have one, getting one of these little spoolie brushes. I believe there's something on Amazon which I've seen, it's similar to that and it brushes them, but I'm pretty happy with this. She's given me this for nearly a year now and I'm pretty happy with this. What else is there? How long do they last? So yeah, like I said, they pretty much should last at least 3 to 4 weeks, if not more. It really depends on your lashes. If your lashes do start falling out, don't panic, because what happens is your natural lashes fall out every week. Like, we lose lashes and we don't even know about it, but if your lashes start falling out, we always lose them, and it's just basically your natural lashes just coming out, so it will push your false lashes out. So that's what happens. So don't panic if that happens, because it's natural, that will happen. But yeah, I usually get away with 3 to 4 weeks, if not, I think I've got away with more before. The next thing is infills and cost. So these are the last two questions, and they're the most important, I guess. So yes, you can get them infilled. What I would suggest is as soon as you kind of get to 2 to 3 weeks, if not, yeah, 2 to 3 weeks. And when you kind of see like gaps and stuff, because you will start getting gaps because they will fall out, you can just go and get them infilled. The first initial cost is a lot more than the infills. So when you get your first initial set of false lashes, when you go back and get your infills, it won't cost as much. So it's always a good idea to keep on top of everything. And yes, you can get them removed as well. If you do have a situation where you don't like them or they're hurting you, you just go back to your person that does them, go back to your eyelash queen, and that's what I call her, and she will sort them out for you, or he, because it's not, you know, that's what they're there for. They're there to help you and make sure everything is safe and nice for you. It's supposed to be a pamper thing, not a torture. So if it does hurt your eyes or something's wrong, just go back and have them removed. And I think I've had mine removed once. Yeah, I remember having them done probably like the 3rd time with her, and one of the lashes in this bit was sticking into my eye, and I don't know what it was. It was weird, but it was just sticking into my eye. It was doing my head in. So I went to her and I was like, can you please take that off? And she was fine. She'd done it and it was all gone. So that's what I suggest. Any issues, just go back to whoever the person that done your lashes is, and just go back to them and just mention what's wrong and they'll fix it for you. But yeah, I'm very happy with them. I've been wearing them for quite a long time now. I do like false lashes. Like, I do like applying false lashes for makeup videos and different looks and stuff. But like I said, I do makeup so much. I do YouTube 3 times a week, so I'm always doing makeup videos, and I just think it's great to have lashes already done. And just regardless, I like having them. I think they're really nice and natural, and I feel like false lashes don't look as natural as these do. These just look quite natural, but obviously they're false. So yeah, I really hope this video helped you guys, and I know some of you have messaged me and you are going to get them done, so make sure you tag me. I really want to see them being done. And also, just to mention guys, these lashes are not the ones I usually get. These are I think these are called cluster lashes. Yeah, these are the cluster lashes, but the ones I usually get are called the Russian lashes. The cluster lashes are basically where I think it's where you stick the lashes on top of your lashes, on top of your natural lashes, and the Russian lashes, I think, are where you stick it in between and then make them fuller. I'm not quite sure, I'll have to double check that, but I usually get Russian lashes and they look a lot different than this. They look a lot like fuller and wispier, but I like these cluster lashes. I think they're really cute and I love them. I think next time I'm going to go a little bit shorter because they are looking a little long. I noticed today they look quite long, but they are so beautiful. Like, I've had a lot of comments about them and I love them. So yeah, make sure you tag me in your pictures when you get them done, and I would love to see you guys get them done. And it feels like summer. The sun's coming through here. I hope this video is going to be okay. I literally am here to support you guys as well, so if you do want me to support your channel back or we want to collab or anything, just let me know in the comments down below and we can do that, because I love supporting people. So yeah, thank you again for 900, and let's keep going and hopefully we can hit 1,000. And I will be doing a big giveaway, so let me know down below what kind of stuff you want me to give away. Like, obviously makeup. Well, is it makeup you want? I don't know. Just let me know down below what you want, what you want me to give away. I think it'll be something makeup wise, something that's probably quite one of my go-tos or something. I don't know, we'll think about it. But thank you so much for watching and joining me, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to tag me when you get your eyelashes done, and I'll see you on Thursday for another makeup video. Bye guys!